Hello everyone, it's time to play the number line game. All right, so you've been playing and you know how this works. So we're gonna roll and see how many chips we can move up the number path. We rolled a 3. So what does that mean? That means we take 3 chips, 1 chip for every pip. And we can take those then, what do we do with them? We move them over to our number path. Each one represents a whole number, and then we can move up. So we're on 0. We're going to go past the starting line from 0 to 1, 2, 3. What a great roll. Okay, we have 2 more chips left. So what we're going to learn today is what happens when we roll something that's larger than the amount of chips we have left. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, we rolled a 3 again. So is that larger than the amount of chips we have left? Let's take a look. We have 3 pips on our die. We've got 1 chip, 2 chips. We don't have enough chips to represent that roll. So what happens? Well, unfortunately, what happens is we lose a turn. Then we have to wait till our next turn. So let's say it's our next turn. 3 was too much because we only had 2 chips. What can we roll and still have enough chips? Right, we could roll a 1 or a 2. A 2 would use all of our chips and would get us all the way up to 5. All right, let's see what we roll next. We rolled a 1. All right, we have enough chips for that. We're going to pull up 1 chip, and then we're going to move that chip over, and then we can roll up to 4. All right, let's see what happens next. We have 1 chip left. So what do we want to roll? We want to roll a 1. We got to be exactly on 5. We rolled a 2. Okay, now let's look again and see why we don't have enough chips to cover our pips. There's our 1 chip, but we need 2 because we rolled a 2. And you see, we only have 1 chip. We don't have 2 chips. So we lose a turn. What do we want to roll? We want to roll a 1. All right, let's see what happens. Yay, we rolled a 1, and we have that 1 chip for that 1 pip. So we'll pull out our 1. That represents the 1 that we rolled, and we're going to put it up on our number 5. So we're going to go from 4 to 5. We're going to land on our last chip, and that brings us all the way up to 5. All right, well done. That's what happens. We have to be careful. If we roll something that's more than the amount of chips we have left, we lose a turn.